Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool SWITCH-PTS part #WP3977456. Whirlpool SWITCH-PTS part #WP3977456 is a replacement part for Whirlpool washers. It is a pressure switch that monitors the water level in the washer tub and sends signals to the timer control to indicate when the water has reached the desired level. The switch also sends signals to the motor control to stop or start the motor, depending on the water level. This part is made of plastic and metal components and is used in many Whirlpool washers. It can be used as a direct replacement for part numbers WP3977456, AP6011751, PS1174417, and B00DM8Q3Q. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement switch for a Whirlpool dryer. It is used to control the temperature and timer settings on the dryer. It can fix symptoms such as the dryer not heating, not starting, or not advancing through its cycle. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the appliance at the circuit breaker. 2. Remove the access panel from the appliance and locate the existing switch. 3. Disconnect the wires from the existing switch and remove it from its mounting bracket. 4. Install the new Whirlpool SWITCH-PTS part #WP3977456 in place of the old switch, making sure to connect all of the wires in their original positions. 5. Securely mount the new switch in place with screws or other fasteners as needed. 6. Turn on power to appliance at circuit breaker and test operation of new switch 4. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.